Hi guys, it is 10:54 right now. I just wanted to start my vlog. I just did my nails. Are they so cute? Like, can you guys see them? I leave tomorrow at 2 to go to Louisville, Kentucky, around that area because I have a swim meet. Yeah. I practice in the morning from 6:15 to 8:15 or 6:15 to 8:30. I'm talking a little quiet because it's kind of late and the rest of my family's sleeping. But so I practice from then, and then I coach from 8:30 to 10:30. Kind of have a little bit of a busy morning, and then I leave at 2, so I gotta pack from 10:30 to 2-ish. I guess we're driving, so it's not like there's any rush, but I'm not packing right now because I'm so tired and I need to sleep because I'm literally gonna die tomorrow at practice if I don't. I need to go bed right now. It's 11 o'clock. But my nails took me forever. They literally take so long. So, but I'm so glad I got them done. Be back. I'll see you guys in the morning. So, good night. Good morning, guys. It's 5:43 in the morning, and I have practice at 6:15, and then I'm coaching after, and then we can start packing. So, see you guys after that. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been a little while. It's 12:15 right now. I leave at 2-ish. I just took a shower after I had coached and swam, and my hair was a little bit gross and I needed to shave and everything. But so I've got a little under 2 hours to pack, which I need to do. I have my swim bag packed right here, and I just have some towels and suits and everything in here in my swim water bottle. So that's already packed. I just need to pack my clothes and everything in this suitcase. I already have all my little goods packed in here. This is toothbrush, toothpaste, all that stuff. And then I'm bringing my makeup just because you never know. I put on a little bit of mascara right now because I think we're gonna eat dinner down in Louisville. So I kind of wanted to be ready for that, but this is probably just what I'll wear on the drive. I just need to pack real quick, so I'm gonna get onto that. We need to get all of my stuff that I have to wear. So I have to wear team shirts. I have to wear, that's basically it. Basically team shirts and team jackets and everything like that I need to wear. So I need to bring those first. Windbreaker, sweatshirt, and then that's good for jackets and that. Okay, so here are some team shirts that I'm gonna bring. Of course, I need to bring shorts. So I'm gonna bring these black pair of these sweat shorts from Garage, which these are my favorite ones. Bring these ones from Brandy. They're just little sleep shorts though, for sleeping and everything. So I'm gonna bring those 3, and that's all I really need for wearing stuff because it's really chill. I'm gonna be wearing my swim stuff most of the time, but then I'm just gonna bring some sleep clothes this oversized t-shirt I'll bring to sleep in, and then I'll probably bring one because I love repping my college. So yeah, so I'm gonna bring these 3 as extra shirts. It's all I need for clothing, I think, at least. Okay, I think that's basically all that I need. I'm gonna bring my computer so I can edit on the car ride there and back. And this is what my suitcase is looking like right now. This is all my clothes and stuff and random stuff. And yeah, I mean, I don't know what else I have to do. I'll probably see you guys on the car ride. So, okay guys, we're in the car right now. We're about to leave. It's, what time is it? 1:55, right on time. Opal's in the back, Edward's gonna sit next to me, and Mom's gonna drive. You excited?
Yeah. I'm really excited actually. I think we're eating dinner down like Louisville, right? Probably. But during the card, I'm probably just gonna, here's Edward. Okay guys, so we made it, but we're having some difficulty with the door for some reason. But we like went in there, looked at it. It was like pretty nice. Opal and I have to share a bed. So my mom figures out the freaking door. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'm also really freaking hungry for dinner. So hopefully we go out to eat soon. It's 5:11 right now. What else are we gonna do? We're gonna sleep. And we swim tomorrow, so. Are you excited? What do you swim tomorrow?
50 fly, 50 back, 50 breast, and 50 free.
I swim just 2 free and 100 breast tomorrow, so. Edward, what do you swim tomorrow? Okay, never mind. Okay guys, it's like 9 o'clock, we're going to bed. We swim tomorrow morning. I swim at 6:45. It's 6:03 right now. We leave at like 6:30, but I just want to say good morning, and I'm gonna eat some eggs for breakfast. I'm so excited. Okay, hey guys, it's 12:30. We need a clip right now. I just got back home from first session, prelims. I'm swimming again tonight. I swam 2 free and 100 breast this morning. If you know anything about swimming, I got 4th or 5th in the 2 free, and then I'm 2nd in the 100 breast for tonight. Probably not gonna film much of the next 2 days, Friday and Saturday, because it's so repetitive. Like, I'm doing the same thing. I'm probably about to go take a nap, then swim again tonight, and then that's basically it. But the pool is so pretty. It's like literally made out of rock. It's in a quarry. So pretty. But Sunday, I think we're going to the zoo. So I'm really excited. I love the freaking zoo. And then we're going back home. But I have the apartment to myself right now, because my mom's watching my little sister swim, and my little brother just swam. So it's really messy right now. So hey guys, it's Saturday. Let's yoga right now. What's over here? I have 2 events tonight, and then we're staying here tonight. But yeah, and then we'll be home like later tomorrow night. So I'm so excited to go home. I'm so ready to leave, but I'm really excited to like go home and sleep in my own bed and have my own room. I'm so excited for that. And we don't have our own room. It's like open. It's supposed to rain tonight, and since it's an outdoor pool, it might be like, if it thunders, that we can't swim. So hopefully it gets canceled, maybe. Obviously not very exciting. If we go to the zoo tomorrow, then like that'll be exciting, and that'll be fun. It's actually really freaking like the zoo, but we'll see. Okay guys, it's Sunday, but we're not going to the zoo anymore. We're gonna go take my brother out to lunch. He goes to University of Louisville, so might as well do that while we're here. And then going home. It's 8:48. We're gonna leave here at 11, go out to lunch. Okay, we're gonna try the new cotton candy Alani. Okay. It's actually really good. Oh my god. Guys, we're in one of the Louisville rooms right now. My brother's still free till 3:30, so we're like hanging out in here. Me and Opal right now. Because we have like 2 hours, so we have to drop them off. Okay guys, don't mind how I look, but we're in Gap right now. We just got out of the car with the mall. I'm gonna try on this red shirt. It's like open back, and then same thing, but it's a tank top version. So we'll try these on. Guys, it's actually very cute, but I kind of like it. thought that this was open back, but it's not, and it's not cute. This is cute. I have this. And these shorts. Top is a little bit big. It's like too big up here. And it's just not fitting. It just makes it a little boxy. So probably another top, maybe the shorts. We just went to Gap and Aeropostale. Opal got a sweatshirt. I didn't get anything. But now we're going to Old Navy. So. Guys, they have like the nicest sweatshirts. Like these are so nice and soft. Okay guys, we're out of the mall. Didn't get anything. Opal got something. Filling up gas. But now we're gonna go get dinner and then actually go home for real this time. Guys, I'm finally back home. Thank God. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go take a shower and then watch the Pacers play at 8, 7:23. So I gotta go take a shower, watch the Pacers play at 8. Watch Love Island, which comes on at 9 tonight. I know it's a really chaotic vlog, but thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for more and like and subscribe. Love you guys.